On Mr. Haydn's theme, there's only 2 lines here. So I will focus the hand and you can see what I'm doing from there. We're starting in G position, left hand thumb on middle D. See where my middle C is? I'm gonna be right here. And my thumb onto G. Remember, your thumb is not a middle C anymore. It's now onto G. And repeat that again. Looking at the right hand first, I'm starting on this G and we're gonna skip. G, skip, skip. The left hand, our thumb on middle D.